is now everyday's headline since 5 months. The cases are spiking up, the deaths are increasing. Now everybody's eyes and hopes on vaccine. Eagerly waiting to see the vaccine in the market after the successful trials. Before we are going to know more details, please do subscribe to my channel. This traditional timeline shows the average duration to produce a vaccine by successfully completing all the phases, which usually takes 10 to 15 years. This process is now minimized to accelerate the production for an emergency relief to curb coronavirus pandemic. In this timeline, the clinical trials are combined and performed on more number of volunteers and tested results. Pre-clinical testing. In this phase, the scientist gives the vaccine to animals like monkeys and rats to see if it produces immune response. Phase 1 safety trials. In this phase, the scientist gives vaccine to the small group of people to test safety and dosage. Also, it confirms that it stimulates immune system. These are the companies launched in phase 1. These are the companies completed in phase 1. Phase 2 expanded trials. In this phase, scientists gives the vaccine to hundreds of people from children to old age, which tests the vaccine safety, short-term side effects, and ability to stimulate immune response. These are the companies launched in phase 2. This is the company completed in phase 2. Combined phases. It is the way to accelerate the development of vaccine. A few coronavirus vaccines are now in combined phase 1 and 2 and combined phase 2 and 3, which means they test for hundreds of people in combined phase 1 and 2 and thousands of people in combined phase 2 and 3. These are the companies launched in combined phase 1 and 2. This is the company launched in combined phase 2 and 3. This is the company completed in combined phase 2 and 3. Phase 3 effective trials. In this phase, scientists test the vaccine on thousands of people, in which they compare the vaccinated and the infected ones. These trials can determine if vaccine protects against coronavirus. And these are the companies launched in phase 3. These vaccines are meant to rise and boost the count of antibodies and immunity levels to fight against the disease.